Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light or the service light on a Toyota Camry 2015 and onwards. So for step 1, you want to make sure the ignition is on. Press the menu button as you see on the screen here to access the menu. Then with the arrows, scroll down until you see settings. So to step 2, now you're in the settings menu. Now you want to scroll down until you see maintenance reset. Select it and it will ask you if you want to reset your maintenance. Select yes. It should now read maintenance reset complete. Thank you for watching guys, I'll catch you in the next one.